And there's breaking news coming in. Union Health Minister JP Nadda is likely to be the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha. Pragya has more details and she's joining us on the phone line. Pragya, what are you tracking?
So the sources in the party are saying that it is very likely that Mr. JP Nadda is going to be the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha. Remember, before in the previous session, in fact, Piyush Goyal was leader of the House. Now he has contested election and he's member of Lok Sabha. Mr. JP Nadda is very senior. He in fact still holds the post of national president of the BJP. Is a very senior leader and also has got a very one of the topmost cabinet ministries as well.
Yes.
So in experience as well, many sources are telling us that it is most likely that Mr. JP Nadda is going to be the leader of House in Rajya Sabha. However, when is that decision taken is yet to be decided, because there are other things that are also related to it. Organizational changes in the BJP. Remember, Mr. JP Nadda's term is going to get over in June, by the end of the June. So, in fact, whether there will be a working president or not, it all will depend on when the leader of House will be announced in Rajya Sabha. And when it is, and whenever it is going to be announced, sources are telling us that JP Nadda is the front runner and he is most likely to be announced as the leader of House in the upper house.
Yes, Pragya, and the follow-up question to that would be, now all eyes are also going to be on who's going to be the next chief of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Do you have any information on that?
Well, there are many names doing the round, but we are also hearing some surprises can be, BJP can give some surprises as well. We are also hearing that this time RSS is going to have a say in who would be the national president of BJP as well. So few of the names that are doing the rounds in the party circles include Mr. Sunil Bansal and Devendra Fadnavis for that matter. And we are also hearing one very surprising name, which is Keshav Prasad Maurya. So only time will tell who is going to be there, and we will confirm to our viewers in a very short span of time, because the consultation are yet to begin. The parliamentary board is yet to sit, and only then the decision will be taken. But these are the names that are doing the rounds right now for the post of national president.